Good morning. It is before 7 a.m. I'm already sitting out here starting to pull weeds. I just noticed that this tree is blooming. This desert willow. I think that's what it is. I keep forgetting, but yes. But it's so pretty. It has these little blossoms on it. Yeah. Sometimes you can hear the road noise, sometimes you can't in the mornings. This morning you can hear it. I guess it's just the white Sammy. Don't eat grass. Yeah. Or weeds. Or if you're gonna eat grass, eat all the weeds. Just kidding, just kidding. Yeah. I'm gonna get some of these pulled before the sun hits this area. And then I'll go in and fix some breakfast. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning. Nice cool breeze. Yep. Nice cool breeze. So I'm installing this can crusher. I was doing it just crushing cans with my feet, but since I've been in flip-flops for the last month, I've got these cans to crush, a bunch of cans up here to crush, and we have a recycle here, so I thought, well, I will just buy a can crusher and do it by hand. So I'm installing that here in my shop. And then I can take all these up to the recycle. Yeah. I had to go get toothpicks to test my muffins that I've cooked. I got several. Guess where they're going? In my little spice rack. These muffins are delish. Delish, delish. Of course, I have to show you my view. My morning view. Get to look at my flower, my tree, and then my weeds. Well, I need to show you that. I basically got almost all my weeds, other than the ones I can't pull that I'm going to have to cut down with the hoe. So I'll show you all that later. But yeah, love my backyard. Following my Monday meal plan, I am having Frito Pie, or I'm cooking Frito Pie for Deborah and I both. Have a bag of Fritos that I need to use up. I had this walking tamales. These are pretty good. They're all right. So I'm going to cut that up and put in there. I've never had this Wendy's chili, other than at Wendy's a long time ago. But this was on clearance at a Lowe's supermarket somewhere in my travels up north in New Mexico. I'm going to cut up a little onion for mine and a little bit of jalapeno. Oh, what am I missing? Cheese, 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 cheese. And cheese. Yeah. All right, I'm going to just warm this up in a pan. Warm it up in a pan. And then I'm going to split this. Not going to be much Fritos. All right, let's get started. Wendy's no beans chili. Looks like there's beans in there, but I guess not. Okay, and cut this up. Got the onions cut up. Let's cut up the tamale. tamales taste good, but I don't really like cold tamales. So, to have a walking tamale, yeah, no. Let's put it in the chili. I can't do this one-handed because I don't want the onions in there. I tasted this. 33 grams of protein per can. Wow. That's cool. One can, 450 calories. Wow. Protein, 33 grams. Anyway, I think I'd have liked regular chili, just a regular Wolf brand chili other than this, but that's what I got, and that's what we're going to eat. Maybe heating it up, it'll taste a little better. With some cheese. Cheese will make it. Cheese makes everything better. Same with butter. Sit and speak. Speak. Good boy. Good boy. Give it to me. Give it to me. Thank you. Sit. Speak. Speak. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Oh, sorry. You crossed my leg.